How old are you?
20 years old.
20 years old. And are you in college now?
Yeah, agriculture.
Nice. Do you like your major?
I like it so
And
much because I want to work in organic agriculture because it's not harm people and not make damage for their healthy
health.
for their health and
Good
it's depend on not chemical but it depend on natural fertilization. It has some cons. It's not produce big production but his production small and it cost more money, but if we make many
you can say that there are many pros and cons to organic farming. I will write that for you and I will show it to you. There are pros and cons to organic farming.
there are pros and cons to organic farming.
Yes, or maybe you can move this and replace it with agriculture.
Agriculture.
This is what you are talking about, right?
Right.
And you also said that production is or can be low because it's expensive.
Yeah, that I mean.
Good job. Good job. You did a good job. You are trying to talk about your major, which is a great place to begin.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you, and I hope to see you again on the live stage.